Are you struggling with image loading in your Android app? It can be incredibly frustrating when your recycler view is lagging or throwing errors. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue with the ThreadPoolExecutor and show you how to handle it effectively. I totally get it. You're not alone in facing this problem. Many developers encounter issues when loading images in a fast-scrolling recycler view, leading to errors like the one you might have seen. It's a common scenario, and we're here to help. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a way to detect if the ThreadPoolExecutor is full and skip image loading? This is a great question, and one that many developers have. So what's happening here? When you scroll quickly, the ThreadPoolExecutor can become overloaded, leading to rejected tasks. Understanding how the ThreadPoolExecutor works is crucial for optimizing your image loading. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to manage your ThreadPoolExecutor effectively and keep your app running smoothly. To address the issue of the ThreadPoolExecutor being full, the user can check the current number of active threads before attempting to load a new image. This will help prevent the rejection of tasks. Next, the user should compare the active thread count to the maximum pool size. If the active count is equal to the maximum size, the user can skip loading the image. Now, let's integrate this check into the existing load URL method. The user should add the thread count check right before executing the loader. Finally, the user can test the updated implementation to ensure that images are only loaded when there is available capacity in the ThreadPoolExecutor. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android devices had far less processing power than today's smartphones? It's amazing how far we've come in mobile technology. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests checking the active thread count against the maximum pool size. If they are equal, it indicates that the thread pool is full. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by a user involves wrapping the loading code in a try-catch block. This way, if the ThreadPoolExecutor is full and a rejected execution exception occurs, the error can be caught and handled gracefully. Now let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using the onFlingListener method to detect fast scrolling in the recycler view. When a fling is detected, you can stop image loading to prevent errors. The user also explains that velocity Y is used for vertical scrolling, and you can set a threshold for fling velocity, such as 7,000, to determine when to stop loading images. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution suggests using your own executor instance with a rejected execution handler instead of async task ThreadPoolExecutor. This allows you to control the number of threads and tasks in the queue. For example, you can create an executor that runs a maximum of 8 threads and keeps 16 tasks in the queue, dropping any excess tasks. If you want to ensure that images eventually load, consider using an executor with an unbounded queue. This way, it will never throw a rejected execution exception. You can create this using the executor's utility class. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests canceling the image loading task when the image view is detached from the window. This helps prevent unnecessary loading and potential errors. Here's a pro tip. Always monitor your ThreadPoolExecutor's status during development. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And that's it. With these strategies, you can manage your image loading more effectively and avoid those pesky errors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.